In this video, we're going to go over plumbing assemblies, which can save a lot of time during takeoff because it already has all the pipe valves and fittings around your plumbing fixtures, your standard fixtures. So just like the piping assemblies, there's plumbing assemblies for trim around fixtures and equipment. In this case, we started you off with water closets, urinals, sinks, showers and tubs, and then there's 13 additional assemblies that you can define on your own. So if we look over here, we can see that water closets, and then all the parts and pieces to trim out the water closet, the waste and vent, and the water pipe. You can change all these for whatever specific water closet connections you want. Here's a floor mount, a wall mount, and next will be urinals. You define the parts and pieces you want for a floor mounted and for a wall mounted. Put in the cost, put in the labor, and then you can just pick how many you want at bid time. You can come to here and sort, and this will give you all your assemblies and tells you how many you've chosen and what value you're carrying for them. Of course, this is not right. This is just a test. And go back, just click select all, and it'll open up again. Over here, you can pick fittings, joints, showers, whatever you want to sort by. If you want to look for fittings, you want to update your fitting price, you can just hit fittings. Make sure when you're defining your description, you put fittings in there so it will sort when you sort for fittings. Select all. Over here is size. So you just pick how many you want and it'll total it up for you. So you got 2 of those and 2 of those. And then you can jump to sinks and put whatever quantity you want, and then when you're done you can sort here like we did previously and see what you've included in this bid. So it's just a fast way to take off trim for fixtures and equipment.